Hey y'all. Okay, I think this recording sound good. Hey y'all, how is everybody? Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Yeah, it is officially 2025. I have decided to sit in front of this camera once again and do what we do, which is ramble and talk about beauty. So, yes. Today we are going to be reviewing a foundation, of course. I don't know, I feel like I get excited when there are like new launches on like eyeshadows and foundations. More so foundations than eyeshadow because I really don't do the most of my eyes like I used to. So, but yeah. New to me, old to you because we're like super late. But anywho, so today's review is going to be on this guy, which I hope you can see it. It is the Patrick Ta Major Skin Hydra-Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation. That is a mouthful. The names, like, okay, so this is a foundation launch from the brand Patrick Ta. Well, actually, it's a makeup artist named Patrick Ta, but his brand, like, is called his name. So, this foundation, I want to say, was it winter or summer? It might have been or fall. It might have been fall when this was launched. Don't quote me. I'm not 100%, but it is available on Sephora. It is available in 30 shades. Retail price is $58, and I brought the shade 17 Golden Peach, which I'm trying to see what the undertones are. The undertones are tan with golden peach. It's one filter ounce, which is typical. And the claim to fame is it's vegan. Radiant finish, best for dry, combo, normal skin, medium coverage, hydrating, and it has hyaluronic acid. A lightweight and luminous foundation with serum-inspired ingredients and a buildable medium coverage that boosts hydration and blurs looks of imperfection. So it is the winter time. It had just started getting cold in Riyadh, so I figured today would be the best day to try it out. So directions say to shake well, apply foundation to moisturize skin with a brush or sponge, building to desired coverage. I've already done my skincare, so we're good. Let's take her out of the box. And this is what the package looks like. It is a glass bottle, which we absolutely love. It feels very luxe, which, I mean, it goes with the name. And this is the color, which I think it'll work. As you can see, it's never been used, but ooh, okay. I guess it was like vacuum sealed for the air. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna work. So it looks a little lighter. It's messy. A little lighter in the bottle, like the packaging, than it actually is. I was a little nervous that wasn't gonna work, but I think it will. Okay, so let's start by prepping our skin. We're going to go in with the Patrick Star One Size primer, and we're just going to put a little bit of that on because it is a hydrating foundation. I just want it to last a little longer, so we're going to mattify just a pinch. So with this, you're supposed to apply a pea size and then let it dry before you move on to the next step. So I'm just going to let that do what it do. I do want to get back into color correcting, so I'm going to use my matte concealer palette and color correct under my eyes. I am making a mess over here, y'all. Just under my eyes where it is a little dark. And we're going to go in with our Sephora 71 brush. Oof, I need to clean this palette off. And we're just gonna pat it under our eyes like so. Just a little. I don't feel like they're as bad as they used to be, but they are still a little dark. So we're just going to apply a little bit. And then I'm going to bring you guys a little closer into my face so y'all can actually see what's going on. think that's good. I really don't have darkness around my mouth, but we'll just take whatever's left on here and put it there. Like so. So this might feel a little rushed, but that's because my battery is kind of low and I really want to record this video, so we're just gonna wing it. All right, so now we're going to shake our foundation. I don't know where my little palette thing went, but we're just gonna shake her up, and then we're gonna do, I always like to start with 2 pumps. 1, 2, and that is really liquidy, like so. We're going to use our beauty blender and just work it on the skin. I'm gonna pull y'all out because I'm trying to pull y'all in, but I feel like it looks, just cutting everything off, and I'm just going to look in my mirror while I apply. Color match is okay. I didn't do this color match in store because they don't carry it here. So we literally went on a whim and did it based off the undertones. But I will say that it looks good. And this is a really light foundation, like 2 pumps, and I've only been able to do half of my face, so I'm gonna go in with one more pump, and we should be able to get the rest done. I would probably next time use a brush and then blend it with the beauty blender because I feel like a lot of the product was absorbed into my sponge. Okay. We're just gonna blend it out like so. And that'll be that. And then I have a little bit left on my hand, so I'm just gonna apply it wherever I think I need a little more coverage. All right. So this is what it looks like before I set it. So I'm gonna go in, finish my face, and then I'll come back and we'll talk. Ooh, my camera is about to take a dive. Okay, y'all, so we are back. This is the finished look. Ignore that little piece of hair that just wants to be an individual. This is the finished look. Let's get that out the way. This is what we're working with. So I went in and I set my face with my MAC powder in the shade Dark Golden and Medium Tan. And then for concealer, I used the Fenty Beauty We're Even concealer in the shade 315W. And then I went on top of it with the Huda Beauty Toasted Almond Full Filter Luminous Matte. My blush is KO Beauty Bubblegum, I think is the cream blush, and then I use her blush palette, don't know the name off the top of my head. And then on my lips, it's Huda Beauty's Faux Filler Lip Gloss in the shade Posh, which I absolutely love the shade one more time. And then I went over and I set everything with the One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. Okay, so it is currently like 11:30 my time. I'm gonna go out, do some things. Maybe I'll go to the movies. I haven't decided. The movie I want to see is Gladiator 2. If anybody's seen it, let me know your thoughts. But yeah, I probably will go to the movies. I need to go to the grocery store because I have a whole bunch of stuff that doesn't match, and I need to cook dinner. And then maybe I'll swing by the mall and pick up the skirt I saw. I don't know, but we'll be back later on the day to give our wear test to see how this held up with the Saudi weather. I think the high today is like 63 degrees, so we'll see. Should do fine. I believe in her. And then I'll give you guys my final thoughts then too. So, bye. Okay, y'all, I almost forgot to do my check-in before I wipe this makeup off, but it is currently 9:30 my time, and I just want to show y'all how good my makeup still looks. I've had this on since 11:30, 12:30. That's like, what, 9 hours? Almost? Yeah, 9 hours. And it looks, it honestly looks like it's fresh applied, with the exception of like my nose. But considering what this normally is, that's still really good. So I definitely will be wearing this foundation again. And I think the combo with the Patrick Star setting spray, chef's kiss. Like, do y'all see this? It looks so good, but I have to wash my face so I can get ready for bed. So yeah, if you're considered trying it, please do. Carrie says it's the go. And that'll be all until the next time. Love you, JJ. Bye.